Collagen supplements are increasingly becoming very, very popular. But most times when you think of collagen, what comes to your mind really is a youthful skin. A lot of people talk about how collagen helps you to look younger. But did you know that there are other facts and other benefits of collagen supplements that a lot of people are not actually talking about? This is what this video is all about. If you want to know other hidden benefits of collagen supplements, then stay tuned for this video. Hi, my name is Enorita James. I'm a clinical research scientist working and living in Germany. So let's go ahead and find out what are the other hidden benefits of collagen supplements. Well, first of all, what exactly is collagen? A lot of people hear of collagen supplements, they want to take collagen supplements, but what are collagens and what do they do in our body? What are the different types of collagen? How do they work? How can we actually get collagen even from natural food? What are the kind of foods that have high concentrations of this collagen? Let's find out. Collagen actually is about the most abundant protein that you can find in the human body. And we all know that it maintains our skin, but what we do not actually know is that it has a role to play in our bones, our muscles, and even our connective tissues. The sad thing is that as you grow older, your collagen tends to decline. The production of collagen declines. And then that is when you start having these signs of aging, like wrinkles and all that. I'm going to be telling you some sources of collagen, and I'm going to be talking about collagen supplements. I'm going to be letting you know the kind of collagen supplements that exist out there and the kind you might probably need that is specific for skin, and the one that is specific for bones, and the one that is specific for muscles and connective tissues. So what exactly is collagen? Collagen is a kind of protein, and it tends to account for about 30% of our body's total protein content. And it tends to act as a glue and gives strength and then gives elasticity to your various body tissues, especially your skin. The elasticity of your skin is actually due to the presence of collagen. That is why when the collagen is decreasing with age, the elasticity of your skin reduces. But there are three types of collagen, and it's classified into a type 1, a type 2, and a type 3. The type 3 actually is the one that is most common in supplements. And each of these types tend to, target a specific area of your body, such as your skin, your bones, your cartilage, and even your organs. So it depends on the type. So when you're buying collagen supplement, it depends on what you want. Are you looking at taking care of your bones? Are you looking at taking care of your skin? Do you want to look younger or your skin to be more elastic? Are you looking at your cartilages? That is your joints. What exactly are you looking for when you want to start taking collagen supplements? Those are the questions you need to ask yourself before you think of taking the supplements. So what are the natural sources of this collagen? Because in as much as they are collagen supplements, there are also natural ways you can get this collagen. The number one is the bone broth. A bone broth is rich in collagen and is rich in amino acids. Specifically, the amino acids that are actually used to produce collagen. Initially I told you that collagen is protein, and protein is made up of amino acids. Then chicken skin contains high amounts of collagen, particularly the type 2. The fish skin is also good. It's an excellent source of marine collagen, which is known for its high absorption rate. And then of course you have the egg white. The egg white. This contains amino acids that support collagen synthesis in the body. Amino acids are substances which, when put together, forms proteins. All the proteins in our body is made up of different kinds of amino acids. Types of collagen supplements. Now we are coming down to the collagen supplements. We have what is called hydrolyzed collagen. These are collagen that are in small, small peptides, small, small, broken down so that they can be easily absorbed. And this is most common in supplements due to its high bioavailability. There's another kind of collagen called gelatin, especially broken down collagen that is often used in cooking. It is less bioavailable than hydrolyzed collagen. That's why the hydrolyzed collagen is the one that is most common in supplements because of its bioavailability. Then you have the bovine collagen. This is derived from cows. It is rich in type 1 and type 3. It supports skin, bones, and organs. This is mostly the collagen you take, the components of the collagen that is normally sold for skin. This is the one, type 3 collagen. Then you have the marine collagen. This is sourced from fish. It is known for high absorption rate and type 1 content. It's also beneficial for skin. So this particular collagen, marine collagen and bovine collagen, they are very good for skin. So when you're buying any products or you want to take any collagen, look out for the ones that are either bovine collagen or marine collagen. This video is to actually guide you if you ever think of wanting to take collagen supplements. You know what to look out for. So what are the benefits of collagen supplements? Most times people only think about the benefits of collagen to the skin, the ability of collagen to make the elasticity of your skin to be better so that you look younger. As I said initially, a lot of people think that collagen is just to make your skin look younger and reduce wrinkles. But you're going to discover that there are other areas that collagen actually plays a very important factor. And that's what I'm going to talk about. I'm also going to talk about how do you choose the right collagen supplement for yourself. What are the factors you look out for if you want to buy collagen supplements? So let's continue with the presentation so that you're going to get all these facts so that when you're ready to actually take or buy collagen supplements, you will be well informed. So as I said, apart from skin health, what else does collagen do? Joints. Did you know that collagen can enhance your mobility? That it can actually support cartilage. Cartilage is the substance that is normally between two bones, especially at your joints. Joints like your knee joints, your elbow joints, your shoulder joints, you have cartilages. Collagen supports that. So it actually enhances mobility. It also supports bone strength and bone density. And density is so important, especially for women as you grow older and you lose your estrogen. Your bone density tends to reduce, and this causes you to have things like osteoporosis and so, making your bone density light and um, liable to quick breaking. Collagen can support your bone strength. Your hair and nails. Collagen promotes the growth of your hair, the growth of your nails, sorry. It also helps in muscle repair and growth. So if you want to kind of do a kind of muscle repair, collagen supplements can also help you. So how do you choose the right collagen supplement really? What do you look out for to be able to know which collagen supplement to buy? So number one, identify your goal. Determine whether you are actually You want this supplement for your skin, you want it for your joints, or you want it just for overall health. What do you want it for? And then consider the source. Because when you know your goals, you know the exact kind of collagen supplement to buy. You know whether to choose bovine, marine, or other sources that based on your preference and your dietary restrictions. That depends on whether you're on diet or whether you have any kind of underlying thing that, you know, must make you look at what you're taking in, your nutrition and all that. So those are the things you need to consider when you want to choose the right collagen supplements. And then check purity and additives. Additives in most of the supplements is always a problem. So always look for supplements with minimal additives and high quality collagen sources. I've already told you the sources of collagen for particular areas of the body. So when you want to buy collagen, read the pack very well, you know, and look out for the sources. Where is this collagen you want to take? Was it derived from? And then always review the dosage and recommendations and follow the daily intake guidelines for optimal results. Most times it's between 2.5 and 15 grams per day. So now that you know this collagen, how do you incorporate it into your routine? How do you incorporate it into your daily life? You know, you can add collagen powder to coffee, to smoothies, or for water for easy consumption. That is if you're buying a collagen powder. You can do that. It's possible. Now, you can also use it in your recipes. As I said, it depends on the one that you buy. You can use it in your recipes, in soups, in baked goods, homemade things. You know, you can also use it there. Even with the powder, you can also use it in homemade things. And then vitamin C rich foods help the absorption of collagen. So if you want to take collagen supplements, maybe in the form of tablets, it is best you take with also vitamin C because vitamin C plays a very important role when it comes to the absorption of the collagen. And also remember the particular collagen that is also easily absorbed and go for that if you want to take the tablets, the collagen tablets. So consistency is the key in anything. Don't expect to see results immediately. Maybe if you're taking collagen because you want to look younger, you want to see it in 1 month. No, consistency, you know, that is what makes it possible for you to do it. Even if you want to get collagen from food sources, consistency in taking those things is what will make you get results. So, are there really side effects when taking collagen? Allergic reactions. Some people may experience allergic reactions, especially to this particular collagen called marine collagen. So look out for symptoms like rashes or digestive discomfort. If you have that, stop it or consult your physician. And then the brands is very, very important. Please choose notable brands that make these collagens. You know, choose notable brands because if you just buy collagen from anywhere without actually finding out which company is making this, from which company is this coming from, most times it might end up to some of these reactions, you know. And then, as I said, results take time. So it's not something that can happen suddenly. So it's something that you need to be patient, be consistent, and you'll get what you want. So with this, I've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you've gotten one or two things that will make you better informed when it comes to choosing the kind of collagen supplement that you want to take. So thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you get information on preventive health matters. Thank you for watching till next time.